Hi everyone. Today we'll learn about discounts. So let's take an example. Say I'm a shopkeeper and I'm selling Coca-Cola. Now let's understand the whole life cycle of a Coca-Cola. First, to sell one Coca-Cola, we'll have to first procure it from a factory. So we'll go to a factory, we'll take one Coke, and now the factory would demand stem cost for that Coke. It would be cost for us because we'll be giving it. So suppose the factory demands 35 rupees. So we'll pay them 35 rupees and get a Coke. And that is the cost price, because cost price is the price at which an article is purchased. So it is cost price for us. And then now we have one bottle of Coke. We have to set a price for that Coke that we can sell. Now I know that MRP of a Coke is 40 rupees. So I'll mark my price as rupees 42. So here MRP is the maximum retail price. And to maximize my profit, I'll keep my marked price as 42. Now note here, there's a difference between marked price and MRP. But for maximum profit, generally marked price is kept equal to the MRP. So this is the marked price that we put for the Coke. And so the definition here is that the price the seller fixes considering his profit. So we've marked some price and now we need a customer. We have a customer here to which we can sell this Coke. So we'll give her the Coke and she'll give us 40 rupees in exchange. And this is the selling price. This is the price at which our one bottle of Coke is sold. So we'll write this as selling price is the price at which an article is sold. Now this arrangement worked fine for a few years, but after a few years, a lot of new places started opening up, selling Coke. So we have two big shops here, one of Coke like this and another shop like this. And so now, to make our Coke more attractive, I have a genius idea. So a genius idea is that, well, fine, I kept my marked price as 40 and I was also selling at 40 for a long time. But now, let's give a discount. And that is when you see in shops a big banner saying 25% off. So a customer, she sees the sign and she comes and takes our Coke. And the idea is that we are giving a discount of 25%. So we're giving a discount of 25% and it is understood it is on the marked price. What it means is that while earlier my marked price was 40 and I was also selling at 40, now I kept my marked price as 40, but because to make a Coke more attractive, I'm selling it at 30. So you see there's a 25% difference here. So that is what discount is. And so discount is nothing but the reduction on the marked price, which is the original price of the item. As you can see, it was 40, then we had a discount of 25%, so then the selling price became 30. So let's put this definition here. So our life cycle is complete. First it was the cost price, then we mark some price, then we put a discount on the marked price, and that becomes the final selling price. So discount is basically the difference between marked price and selling price. And thus, the formula of discount is simply marked price minus selling price. And if we take it in percentage forms, then it becomes the discount percentage is equal to marked price minus the selling price divided by the marked price, which was the original price of the item, into 100, because we're talking about percentages. And this numerator is nothing but the discount. So we can write it as discount percentage is equal to the discount that we've given on the marked price divided by the original price, which was the marked price, into 100. Let's keep these formulas aside and let's try to solve some questions. So we have a table like here and we have to fill in the blanks. So let's see the first row. We have sari, and for this sari, let's write the details that we have. So our discount is 100. Our marked price is 1000. And a selling price is what we need to find out. So now think about it. I had a marked price of a sari. To make it more attractive, I give it a discount of 100 rupees on the marked price. So our selling price would be less. So our selling price from this formula, and as you can see, would be 100, which is the discount, is equal to mark price, which is 1000, minus the selling price or SP. So if I take SP here and 100 here, what I get is SP, which is the selling price, is equal to 1000 minus the 100, which makes sense. It would be marked price minus the discount that I'm giving on the marked price. So that would be 900. And so this means that the marked price was 1000, but I'm selling it at 900 with a discount of 100 rupees. So let's write it down. So our first row is done. This is selling price would be 900. Let's go to the next row of trousers. So we have trousers here. And now let's write the details again. So we have discount as 400. We have marked price as 2000. And selling price is again, we have to find out. So we'll take the same formula. Our discount is 400. So that's 400 is equal to marked price 2000 minus the selling price, which is SP. Here SP, which is the selling price, then would be 2000 minus 400. So that is 1600. So while our mark price was 2000, I'm selling it at 1600 with a discount of 400 rupees. So that is our 1600 here. And now let's calculate the discount percentage. So for a discount percentage, our selling price is 1600. So all these details are here. And our discount percentage would be the discount that I've given. So that is 400 divided by the marked price, divided by the original price that it was there. So 400 divided by 2000. So, and this is the percentage. So this is into 100. Now 100 into 20 is 2000. So we can cut here and get 20 here. And 20 into 20 would be 400. So this is 20 and this goes giving us 20. So our discount percentage would become 20%. So let's write that down here. And that's it. We've also finished completing this row. Let's see the third question. For our t-shirt now, let's write the details. So for our t-shirt, our discount is what we don't know. Our marked price is 500 and our selling price is 375. So while our marked price was 500, but I sold it at 375. So the discount I gave would be discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So that would be 500 minus 375. So that is equal to 125. And so let's write it down here. And that's it. We filled all the blank and that was all about discount. Thank you.